What if your YouTube channel is already showing signs that it's about to blow up, but you just don't notice it yet? Most small creators quit too early because they think nothing is happening. But before a channel explodes, YouTube will give you signs first. And in this video, I'll give you 5 biggest signs that your channel might be closer to success than you think. Especially sign number 5, because this is what happens to many creators before they go viral. Sign number 1. High CTR from suggested videos. This is actually a big deal. When YouTube starts recommending your video and people are clicking your thumbnail, it means your videos are catching attention. Especially if your suggested CTR is high, ibig sabihin, people are choosing your videos over others. And once YouTube notices that people are clicking your videos, mas lalo niyang ipupush yung videos mo to more audiences. This is one of the strongest signs that the YouTube algorithm is starting to trust your channel. Sign number 2, consistent CTR or click-through rate on most of your videos. Hindi lang isang video ang mataas yung CTR, kundi halos lahat ng uploads mo maganda and it's performing very well. Kapag kasi mataas yung CTR ng videos mo, ibig sabihin, your thumbnail and your titles are becoming recognizable and effective. Kasi maraming creators na nakakapag-viral ng video one time only. But the secret here is consistency. Channels that actually blow up has consistent high CTR. Even if hindi pa super taas ang views mo, if your CTR is consistent every upload, that's a very good sign. Sign number 3, positive comments from strangers. Those comments matter a lot. Because this means na hindi na lang yung mga kakilala mo yung nanonood sa videos mo. Your videos are reaching random people already. And if strangers are enjoying your content enough to comment positively, malaking sign yan that your videos have potential to grow massively. Sign number 4, your casual or regular viewers increase. Ito yung mga taong laging bumabalik sa channel mo every time you upload videos. Maybe maliit pa lang sila ngayon, but having loyal viewers is very important. Because the YouTube algorithm notices when people are keep on watching your upload. Kapag may returning audience ka, mas mataas ang chance na i-push ni YouTube yung future uploads mo. Kasi alam niyang meron talagang audience na manunood. Sign number 5, you start getting outliers. This is probably the biggest sign. An outlier is when one video suddenly performs way better than your usual uploads. For example, normally nakakakuha ka lang ng 500 views to 600, 800 views, but suddenly there is this 10k views, 30k views, 50k views, or even higher. That means YouTube found a topic, style, or format na gustong-gusto ng audiences mo. And usually, before a channel blows up, YouTube will test 1 or 2 videos first. So if you're getting outliers recently, don't ignore it. Study that video carefully because that might be the content style that can change your channel. So ayun guys, if you're experiencing these signs right now, don't quit yet. Your growth might be happening slowly behind the scenes. Just keep uploading, keep on improving, and stay consistent. Because one video can literally change your life on YouTube. So that's it. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And check out this video right here if you're struggling to reach 4,000 watch hours for the YouTube monetization requirements. Because I shared 5 effective strategies that can help you reach 4,000 watch hours faster and grow your channel quicker. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next one.